The Jaipan family, owners of the Jaipan House, consists of 6 family members who lived in their wooden structure house located in Chiang, Thailand. The challenge here was to build a house with privacy that accommodates 6 family members, but does not lose the connection between the interior and the surrounding environment. The house's facade filters part of the view of the environment, while also creating a simple geometric solid mass. The geometric mass is subtracted by a curved wall to create depth for the main entrance. Timber battens are applied to the bedrooms to create an interesting repetitive pattern on the outside, but provide an airy and semi-clear view for the bedrooms connected to the garden. Material from the old house, such as wooden slats from the deconstruction, was used, but with a different language that creates a modern architecture without destroying its soul. All the old wood is visible, from the old teak slat mounted on the curved wall of the entrance to the traditional Thai paddock flooring. All the external brick walls have applied cement splatter technique to create rough surfaces, making a smooth blend between the texture of the wood and the wall. The interior space was designed for 2 subfamilies with separate spaces, while the central common area connects all the rooms. Proper height division steps are added instead of a solid wall to create space and flow boundaries, connecting all functions without violating privacy due to the number of family members. The wooden slats attached to the form add more depth and dynamics to this solid mass and break the hard boxy shapes. The functions of the Jaipan House are spread horizontally, so there is no vertical circulation that makes usage inconvenient and pays attention to the elderly, while all family members can feel connected to the nature that flows closely to all living areas, with spacious living areas. The open perception of the garden and interior space blend together.